So today we're going for a little tutorial on what we call an age zuki, okay, which is age rising and zuki punch, okay, which means rising punch. In other words, it is an uppercut. Now, uppercuts for, if you see for boxing or kickboxing versus karate is slightly different in the sense that, once again, basic principles of karate is I want to make sure I get that control. So I'm always trying to grab, I'm always trying to get a hold of my opponent. So the use is a little bit different compared to say boxing. I'm trying to aim for it here, I'm trying to find that in, maybe move around and come to the chin. All right. The movements for the age zuki looks a little bit like this, and you'll see this in, say, Seiunchin Kata, where coming up this way. Reason for that one is I'm trying to get the outside, okay? So I've also got inside and outside. Inside still works, but outside works a lot better. All right, so two principles I want you to think about when it comes to karate is number one is control, two is multiple applications. All right, I tend to be very lazy. I don't want to think about one move for one movement, for one application. Okay, so I want to practice the same move, different things to do. So age zuki, uppercut, obviously most simple one, coming in, coming up this way. All right, you can see I don't need to really swing my arm too hard for this one. Okay, I'm mostly pulling her in, and this is coming up under the chin here. The striking is mostly actually on the last three knuckles. All right, believe it or not, the last three knuckles tends to give you a bit more force. Even though it spreads out across three knuckles, you can actually get a lot more power in this. Just imagine if you are doing bad push-ups or you're trying to cheat in push-ups, where do you put your knuckles? You tend to put on the last three because it's easier. So once again, coming up, boom. This is my uppercut for karate. All right. Now, other application is generally if I miss or I didn't want to actually go for the chin anyway. Okay. Maybe you turn doing sparring, or maybe you want to be a little bit more nasty. So what I'm going here, same movement, but this time I'm not aiming for the chin. I am coming up and I'm going for the arm. All right. So this is the same movement. Okay. Age zuki coming up, but this time pulling out. I'm working on the elbow here. All right. So once again, two applications for the same movement. Shikodachi, when I go and pulling in, helps me add a little power, especially for someone a little bit bigger than me or it's a little bit stronger than me, okay? But either way, instead of just coming up, I'm also bringing down, boom. All right, this comes in, okay? And if I'm lucky, I might even get her in the throat, all right? Doesn't really matter, as long as I'm pulling here, there's a big chance that it'll also open up her chin a little bit, okay? Just for that little tug thing in, okay? So you've got strike, and you've got the same movement, going for the armbar. All right. Even if you don't get the snap, you now have control for the rest of it, and you can finish off with it. Okay. By the way, those that haven't seen her yet, this is Georgia. I should have been introduced at the start. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.